Verde on bike check right now. Showing you a little bit about my bike, my new materials on it. Just got some new stuff. All from Dan's Comp. Yeah, man. Dan's the man. Alright. Let's go to my bike, you know. Yeah, it's Verde Eon. Verde. Yeah, I got some new accessories. Stock rim. Got it from my friend. It's got a nice coasting sound. A little straight, you know. That's what I do. Bend rim foundation out here, arcade New York, you know. Anyways, new edition. Animal Hamilton. Animal Hamilton, what a joke. Stephen Hamilton edition. Animal pedals. You know, brown. Yeah. You know, I run 25.9 on this bike. Great. It's real nice. Got some metal brake pads. It's Verde on metal. Send you some metal brake pads. Just try them out. Make your rim look real nice. Anyways, got a pivotal seat post. Pivotal seat. Yeah. It's real nice. Even though it's Haro, got it from a buddy of mine. Yeah. This bike's got stock back rim, real nice hub. Give you a hub sound. Don't mind my bent rim. It's pretty bent. About it? No, it's not about it. You got my nitrous 8.5 rise, my shoestring hub cleaner. Got my stock yellow grips. Getting new ones pretty soon, you know. I don't know what kind yet, but pretty soon. Yeah. You know, bike talk. Verde Eon, man. Verde, I like the name Verde. The bikes are alright. I like it, but yep. 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 Yeah. Yeah. I had one last glimpse of my bike. Laced black and gold rim, customized by myself, you know, the gold rim, Verde on brakes, metal brake pads, 25.9, 20-inch Verde. That's about it. Peace.